So hey, what if I tell you these cute little heart-shaped candies are totally sugar-free and you only need 3 simple ingredients to make it? Here's the complete recipe, so watch the video till the end. Firstly, heat up the pan or kadai, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee. Make sure your flame are on a low to medium. Add 1 cup of coconut flakes, roast it up on a low flame till 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you see your coconut flakes become slightly golden brown. In this candy, coconut flakes gives a very good texture and a natural flavor. Now add 1 cup of condensed milk and 1 cup of date syrup. To make this date syrup, I soak a date overnight and grind it to make a smooth syrup. Condensed milk adding a richness and a touch of sweetness. Add a date syrup, our ultimate sugar substance. Why this candy is a great choice? Well, by using date syrup instead of refined sugar, we are avoid those sugar spikes and crashes. Date syrup is rich in minerals like potassium, magnesium, iron, plus it has a lower glycemic index, making it a more healthy option. Once everything is mixed, it's time to shape our candies. I take this very cute looking heart-shaped silicone mold and gently combine all the mixture in our mold. Place my candies in a refrigerator to chill for about an hour. This helps them to set properly and make them easy to handle. While they'll chill, you can take a moment for appreciate a simplicity and a healthy benefit of this treat. And there you have it, a sugar-free nutrient-packed coconut candies that's as tasty as awesome. Perfect for a quick snack or a guilt-free treat anytime. Now unmold your candies and cover these cute heart-shaped candies with more coconut flakes and your candy is ready for eat. Now it's your time to make these cute sugar-free candies. Make sure you like this video so it will save here. And to having more delightful quick recipes, subscribe now.